Hi, I'm Chef John Zink and welcome to Frisch's Kitchen. So today I'm going to show you a few variations on our great pumpkin pie that we make every time this year. I'm going to make a zesty orange glaze for our pumpkin pie, as well as show you a few other ways that you can top the pumpkin pie that you get from your local Frisch's. There's our Frisch's pumpkin pie with a zesty orange glaze. I added some intense orange dark chocolate pieces and some zest from an orange just to complete that. So you could cut that and serve that as is. So here's some great drink pairings for your pumpkin pie. The Frisch's pumpkin ale, which is good any day of the week. You can also choose a late harvest Riesling, or there are some great hot teas that go with that. Rooibos or a jasmine green are great pairings for pumpkin pie as well. And then, there's another decorating idea for your pumpkin pie. I added some chocolate shavings and pecans for one other way to serve your pumpkin pie this year.